So you're in your 2007, 8, 9, 10, 11 Nissan Altima, and you got this seek and track button that's all toasted. It don't matter if that one was toasted or if this one was toasted. You're like saying, damn man, do I gotta like get the whole radio? And my answer to you is no. What you need is one of these babies. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna come to the bottom here and pop it out. Like so. You go to the junkyard. No, they won't even charge you a penny for this. And just snap it back in. Bingo. And there you go. Looking good.